Alright, I set up this experiment to show you the theory of the pendulum swing. Okay, so if you look at the lab book, we will learn. We need to learn what is a period of a pendulum. Okay, period of one oscillation. Okay, the period is a timing where this object, when I let go, it goes from here until reach to the peak, come back from here. The timing, yeah, that go one cycle is called the period. Okay, the period. All right, so now this is the idea. Okay, this is the experiment that are interesting. I have two objects over here, and then I have one that I put in a one ring, and the one I have four ring. So in theory, this is much heavier compared to this. Okay, now will the weight of the object affect the period that they needed to complete the what we call complete one oscillation? So to do this, okay, you can use we call this a stopwatch. You start, okay, and then you count for 10 oscillation. Okay, so for example, let's do this. Start 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then you stop. Okay, you have a stopwatch, and then you try with this again. Surprisingly, the time is the same. Okay, the time is the same. All right. So, or in other words, if I do like this, I let go at the same time. Okay, both will swing at the same period. See that? No matter how heavy you are, okay, you will swing at the same period. All right. You know what I mean? The same timing needed. That means if you were to sit on here, when you swing, you will be swinging the same period, yeah, with any weight of the object. Now the second thing we can play around with this is the angle. Okay, the angle. Now for the angle, I have to do this way. Okay, the angle I have to do this way. Now you can use one only. Will the angle, okay, all right, of the release affect the period? All right. So all of you can do this timing with me. Okay, if you have stopwatch, now you do it on your own with your phone. You start when I release. Okay, I'm going to start with this angle. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You stop. Okay, stop at 10. Now let's redo again. I'm going to put this higher. Okay, see whether does it affect the period of time or not. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You see? So it will be the same. Yeah? If you have stopwatch, you're playing this game with me, it will be the same. So that means the angle of release doesn't matter. Okay, it doesn't matter. Fun about this is, okay, now I can release these two at different angle, at different side weight. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go. See that? They will oscillate at the same period. Okay, they will oscillate at the same period. They're reaching the peak at the same time. All right. Now the whole thing is goyang. Okay, my whole thing is goyang, so it's not accurate. So if goyang, you have to use something heavy or use a cellophane tape to tape onto the floor. Okay. Now the whole setup, it can be use a glue to glue all this part. Now the only things affect the period of the oscillation is the length of the string. Okay. If we have different length, okay, then it will affect the period. All right. So I have this is already finished. So after you've done this, you can cut out the string and fix this. Now I have what we call a set of marble over here, and all have different length. Now for different length, they have a different oscillation period. Okay, they have a different oscillation period. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to hold this. So I'm going to let go at the same time. 3, 2, 1. Okay, you can see it can move, yeah, at a different period. Okay, they all move at the same different period. So if I may, I do this way. You try to see at the side also, quite nice. Okay, quite nice. Oh, 3, 2, 1, go. See that? You see how it's become shape of a snake? Yeah. So try to play with this, yeah, and have fun about oscillation and pendulum swing. Thank you.